Afternoon, guys. Your warm report today. What are products goods that you buy every week? What is the price that you pay for the product? And at what price will you stop buying that product? So take a few minutes and work on this warm up. All right, guys, so what are products that you buy every week?
Orange juice.
OJ.
Coffee.
Chips.
Coffee.
Milk.
Chips.
Water.
Candy.
Milk.
Eggs.
Water.
Candy.
And
weekly basis.
All right. What price do you buy orange juice for?
$2 to $3.
All right, $2 to $3. Coffee.
$2 to $3.
Depends. No, what?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
2 to 3.
Five.
I heard 4 to 5.
$5.
$5.
Chips.
$1.
$1.
Milk.
$2.
Four,
3 to 4.
like $4.
3 to 4. Water.
Like
Depends, like the pack
like
or
10
Depends.
cents.
A pack.
A pack? That's like $4.
4 to 6, so you have to put in the CRV. Candy.
Like $1.
Yeah,
like $1.50.
$1.
Is it?
1 to 3. Let's just say 1 to 3.
What? $3 candy?
At what price would you guys stop buying the OJ at?
At $4.
So $4, that's your
$5.
cutoff? 4 to 5. What about coffee?
$7.
$7.
$7, that's a lot for coffee. Chips.
$1.
$3.
$1.50. $1.50.
$1.01.
150. I heard that one. Milk.
$3.
Six.
Or $4.
$6.
Water.
$2.
I'd say
Sorry
seven.
for 4 to 6.
Say over a pack?
Like
$10.
9. Oh, no,
10 bucks. All right, I heard 8 to 10. Candy.
Not even
$4.
$3. Like
$4.
Not even
That's it.
$3.
I wouldn't even pay $3.
All right, so this change in price determines whether or not you are going to continue to buy that product. That is known as elasticity, and that is what we're going to be talking about today. So go ahead and take out your notebooks and be looking at elasticity. So elasticity of demand is a measure of how consumers react to a change in price. So what would you guys do when the price of water goes from $4 to $8? You guys told me that you would stop buying water. So you have to start drinking tap water.
No.
You need water to live, so
Tap water.
tap water it is. What if water for one product or one brand of water is the only one that goes up in price? How many of you guys would start buying generic brand water? Okay, so elasticity describes a demand that is very sensitive to a change in price. Something you buy less of if there's a small increase in price in wants such as magazines, clothes, movie tickets, water, milk, food, juice, anything that you would like. If there's a small increase in price, you are less likely to buy that product. Now, how do we determine elasticity? So elasticity is determined by this formula. So we have elasticity equals to the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in quantity priced. Now, in order to get these percentages, you take the original number minus the new number, you divide that by the original number, and you multiply that number by 100. That'll give us the actual price, or the actual change in percentage. So we're going to plug in those numbers, and it would give us our elasticity. Now, a product is considered elastic if this number is more than 1. We call that elastic. If the number is less than 1, it is inelastic. And if the number equals to exactly 1, we call that unitary elasticity. So we're going to practice in a bit. We're going to continue on with the notes on what makes something elastic. A product or inelastic describes demand that is not very sensitive to price, something you will buy despite the price, such as gasoline, medicine, and houses. So these are your needs, not your wants. These are products that you need in order to survive. You need food to survive. What type of food depends on how much money you have. So you can survive on top ramen, right?
Yep.
Yes, you can. It's food. You're going to survive. So you buy 4 top ramen for $1. You will be able to survive. Do you need to eat lobster? No, you do not. That is a want. So inelasticity determines what prices you're going to buy at, or what product you're going to buy at whatever price. Like medicine. If you have asthma, you're going to buy your inhaler. If you have diabetes, you're going to buy insulin. If you're allergic to something, and if you come in contact with that product or that good, and you go into anaphylactic shock, you better have your EpiPen. Okay, so you're going to buy it at whatever price. That is inelasticity. Any questions on elasticity and inelastic products? All right, guys, so now it's time for practice. We're going to look at these and determine whether the price is elastic or inelastic. So we're going to do the first one together. So the example is the price of insurance goes from $70 a month to $100 a month, and the quantity demanded goes from 550 to 530 a day. So we're going to plug in these numbers to our formula. Remember, we're looking for elasticity. And elasticity is a change in the percentage of the quantity demanded versus a change in percentage of the price. So in order to get the percentage, we're going to plug in the old number. So the old number is 70 minus 100 divided by 70. Then we're going to multiply this number by 100. So 70 minus 100 is what? 30. Divided by 70 times 100. What is 30 divided by 70? We're going to get a decimal point. 0.42. Times 100 equals what? 42%. Okay, so this number is going to go at the bottom in the change in price. Now let's determine the change in quantity demanded. So the original demand was 550. The new demand is 530. We're going to divide that by the original demand and then multiply it by 100. 550 minus 530 is 20 divided by 550 times 100. What's 20 divided by 550? Point what? Yeah, 20 divided by 550. 0.03 times 100 will give us 0.03 times 100? 3%. So now we have our top number. So we're going to divide 3% by, what was the bottom number? What was the change, the percentage and change in price? 42%. So what's 3% divided by 42? 0.07%. The number is less than 1. So is it elastic or inelastic? Inelastic. Very good. So you guys are going to get with your partners and you're going to work out problem number 2. The price of the Carl's Jr. Western Bacon Cheeseburger has dropped from $2 to $1, and the quantity demanded has gone from 200 a day to 475 a day. So take a few minutes and work on that. All right, guys, so number 2. We're going to look at whether this product is elastic or inelastic. There's been a price change from $2 to $1. Demand has gone from 200 a day to 475. So first, let's determine the percentage in the change in price. So the old number is $2, right? Minus $1 divided by $2. So what did you guys get from them? We have to multiply by 100. So what is the percentage on this? 50%. So when we plug it into our formula, this is the number that goes at the bottom. Demand goes from 200 to 475 over 200 times 100. What's the percentage on this? What do you guys have in your paper?
Give us a second.
I got 37.5.
37.5%.
Yeah.
So 137.5% divided by 50% gives us a number of what? What's this number? 137.5 divided by 50. Use your calculators. 2.75%. Is the number greater than 1?
Yes.
Is it elastic or inelastic?
Elastic.
Elastic. which means customers are sensitive to a change in price. So we've practiced a few of these problems already. Now, you guys are going to have some independent practice. You guys are going to be working on this worksheet, determining whether a product is elastic or inelastic. I'm going to leave the formula up here, and I'll walk around and make sure you guys understand this material. Any questions on elasticity or inelastic products? All right, good job.